Okay, and here we're back again. Oh, by the way, go Triad, kick Nest's ass, very nice. Oh, and kick Pacom's ass as well. Anyway, this is my other gun, completely custom. It's got an Ames 8mm gearbox in it with a 120. Pretty damn good gearbox. I've got a 9.6 3800 milliamp battery in here by Tenergy. Got systema 6.04 or 3. I'm thinking 3. 509mm barrel. I really don't know if it's a 509 considering it sticks out the flash hider a bit. I don't know if you can see that or not, but maybe a 15 you think? I don't know. Whatever, fire's great. I've got a Gaurder high torque motor in here. Systema hop-up bucking, and I don't know what the hop-up is. I know it's metal. GMP stock. Hand guards, they're Tokyo Marui. Goes this, front sight, and the flash hider. Probably the outer barrel too. That's it with Tokyo Marui. Hand guard, no, not hand guard, but grip here is Classic Army. The metal body is actually a Classic Army sportsline I ripped a part of. But yeah, we're going to get on to the firing report. As you can see, it does nothing. It's just, nice to look at. And here, this is semi fully charged battery. Fully auto. And yeah. And that is the custom M16 I made.